Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got another gorgeous piece of Chanel to show you today. So this is the Chanel 19 and it's a bit of a different take on the classic Chanel flat bag and it is stunning. It's got this lovely pillowy feeling, kind of large quilted leather. So a little bit different to the classic Chanel quilted leather, but it feels gorgeous. This is just so smooth. And you can see it's got that lovely shine to it as well. We've got on the back one flat pocket, and that has a press-stud fasten as well. And then we have one top handle and this lovely chunky chain hardware. And we also have, again, a take on that classic Chanel leather and chain plaited strap, but a bit chunkier, and the mixed hardware as well is super cool. You can see we've got that antique gold kind of hardware, then we also have the shiny silver hardware, as well as that, again, antique looking ruthenium hardware, which is just so cool. And this is my favourite part of the bag, we've got this CC turn lock fasten and this leather entwined CC logo is just gorgeous, and it's on this flat closure, so I'll open it up and show you inside. So inside we've got just that one zip pocket at the back, so that zip works beautifully, and then on the opposite side we've got this Chanel metal serial tag. So instead of in the older Chanels, you know, we've got those, would have had those serial stickers somewhere in the bag, but the newer Chanels have this Chanel serial tag, so it's a Chanel 19, so it's from 2019. So the condition of this bag is very good all around. It is gorgeous. It's honestly in a stunning condition. You can see in that light, that leather just looks gorgeous. There's just a couple of areas to show you. So on the back here, you can see there's just a couple of areas, and it's really not really noticeable, sorry, barely noticeable, but there's just a couple of scratches. You can see just here, a little mark just there, and there's a couple of areas where there's a bit of a dent, which would have happened just when maybe the chain was sitting on the bag and it's dented the bag a little bit, so it's not kind of signs of wear or anything like that, but you can see there's just a little mark there. And it's a little bit of a crease line there. On the base though, again you can see there's a couple more of those kind of dent marks, but those corners are stunning. They're in a lovely condition. So it is in a very beautiful, very good condition. The inside, again, is very good. That's mostly for this flat closure here. Again, you can only really see it in certain lights, but there's just a few marks and scratches along that flat closure, but the interior, that red fabric interior, that's beautiful in there. That is really gorgeous. There's no marks or anything like that in there. And then the hardware, again, is in a lovely condition. You can see that tag actually still has the little seal on there as well as this little Chanel zip pull also has the plastic seal on it still, and the Chanel tag on this side. So they're all in a lovely condition. This hardware has, you can see, a few kind of dulling and a bit of hairline scratching, so that's why I've called it very good. But other than that, this mixed hardware on the outside is stunning. It's all in a gorgeous condition. Each of those colours of the hardware is beautiful, so that's why we've called it very good all around. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got a generic bag liner to keep that shape lovely and nice, and then we also have the Chanel ribbon with the camellia flower as well, and then we have this lovely big Chanel envelope. In there we've got the care guide and the dust cloth, and then we also have a little Chanel envelope and that has got the receipt and Chanel invoice in there as well. And then of course we have the Chanel box and the Chanel dust bag as well, to keep that beautiful leather protected while you're storing it. If you wanted to know any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this bag on our website, so it should hopefully take you directly to the Chanel on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. It is such a gorgeous bag, so we expect it to sell quickly, but if you love it as much as we do, don't forget that you can get on our request list. So just let us know that you love this bag, we'll pop you on our request list, and then as soon as we get anyone like it, we will let you know. We'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'll come back here. I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", if that's really help. And if I just pop it there so you can see it. Again, I just love this like cloudy, pillowy feeling of this leather. It's so gorgeous and tactile. Or you can pop it across your body like that as well. So a very, very beautiful bag. If you wanted more details, again, go to the link in the description below. That'll take you to our website. Have a browse through our website while you're on there. Have a look at all of our other beautiful Armcandy that we have on there for you. And sign up to our newsletter to keep yourself updated on what we're getting in. And we'll also send you your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. While you're here, if you're a bag lover like we are, don't forget to like this video, and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags we have to show you. And also, while you're on our website, don't forget to have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. So we would love to see any beautiful Armcandy that you guys have for us. So have a look at that page, read through the process of selling with us, and we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.